Hi everybody. Today I got the Ipsy Glam Bag X. So let's see what we got. There's the box. This says Glam Bag X. Foam and everything that's in here. And this month's box was curated by Halsey. And Ipsy is having a contest. It says win the ultimate about face stash. You go to Ipsy's Instagram page and enter to win more than $300 worth of products. All right. First off, this is something that I chose. This is the Elemis Skin Buff. This is a deep cleansing exfoliator to help kickstart cell turnover by sloughing away dead skin cells, resulting in a brighter and smoother skin. Extracts of bilberry, hops, and chamomile blended in vitamin E and shea butter base help to soothe and enrich the skin, leaving a radiant and fresh complexion. You're supposed to use this once a week. There's the tube. And it has a seal on it, which is fine because I'm using some more facial scrubs right now. All right. And another choice of mine was this Glamnetic and Ipsy reusable press-on nails. I already have a lot of nail stuff, but from this particular category, this was the only thing that was even remotely interesting to me. So I went ahead and got these because I will have a use for them. I'll use them, you know, sometime or another. So basically you just use the glue them on your nails, file them to any shape that you like or size. And to remove them, you only need warm water. You soak your hands in warm water for 10 minutes and gently remove them from your natural nail. So they should be less damaging to your nails than some other types of press-on nails, hopefully. All right. And we get, these are called Lilac Sky. All right. And the third thing that I chose is from Bread. This is Macadamia Oil. It's for your hair and your body. And it says 100% cold pressed Australian Macadamia Oil. Is a fragrance-free, cold pressed, super high grade 100% oil concentrate. Native to Australia, the macadamia nut is high in fatty acids to coat your hair and body in natural, cushiony, slippery softness. You can use it on its own, or you can mix it in with your regular leave-in. And for your body, you can mix in a few drops with your body lotion. That's nice. Make it a little richer. This is the macadamia oil. This is a new brand. I wanted to try something from them for a while. It has no smell at all. Test a little bit of it. I already have some hand cream on my hands, so this is kind of blending in with it. Okay, it feels good. Not too thick, not too thin. And now on to the products that were curated for me by Halsey. Okay, from Herbivore, this is Emerald Hemp Seed Adaptogen Deep Moisture Glow Oil. There's Herbivore, this pretty box. And on the other side it says Emerald. Can't wait to see what this looks like. And this has hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil that is non-intoxicating. It has olive-derived squalene. It has meadow foam and GLA-rich borage seed oil to provide skin with a radiant glow and deep moisture. Okay. In the daytime, it says apply approximately 2 to 8 drops, and for night you massage in approximately 4 to 10 drops. It says use daily for best results. I have a lot of facial oils and stuff right now that I'm using. So, okay, it is green. I guess that's why they call it emerald oil. I like the bottle. It's pretty. It has a slight smell of hemp. It's not strong at all. Okay. Absorbs right away, which is nice. I believe everybody received one form or another of a highlighter from Halsey's brand. I received the Light Lock Highlighting Fluid. There's also a powder one, I believe, but this is the liquid. It opens in an interesting kind of way. It says, molten crystal highlighting fluid, light reflecting pearl, suspended in weightless liquid. Creates beaming shine and a locked-in glow. Layer for high gloss luster. Vegan, cruelty-free, formulated without gluten, phthalates, paraben, or synthetic fragrance. Oh, the bottle is so pretty. Look at that. I didn't know it came in such a pretty bottle. I like that. If nothing else, it can look pretty on the vanity. You pop it off and it has some. It says about face right there. Let's take a look at this highlighter. Oh, it's a pretty warm, kind of coppery highlighter. That's pretty. And it's not too much. I like that. But I believe if you wanted it to be really glowy, you would just add more. So let's see how that looks. Yeah, they amped it up a little bit, but it's still not too much. So that's nice. Oh, yeah, I like this. This will look pretty on your legs or your hands, your shoulders, without looking like you just piled something shiny on. Okay, this is nice. I like it. Okay, Halsey. And then next thing she chose for me was the Volition Yaupon Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizer. Glow to a T. It says caffeine-rich Yupon Holly is a centuries-old secret turned to a modern-day skin energizer. It naturally revives skin and reduces the look of puffiness and tiredness as it soothes. It says skin will effortlessly glow and experience a cooling effect for an instant vitality boost. And there's the 2-ounce jar. It looks really thick. I don't know if you can tell from here, but there's a space in there that's not closing, even though the jar is sitting up right now. So it's pretty thick. All right, I'll leave that sealed for now. So far, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And this is item number 7, a mascara from Fenty. I think I may have had a tiny trial size of this once, but I've never had the full one, so that's nice. I get to have the full size Fenty mascara. The beautiful packaging. I won't open it because I'm still using my Merit mascara right now. So when that one's done, I'll start in on this one. And then the final thing is the one that I was really hoping that I would get, and I did. It's from Tatcha. This is the Silk Canvas. I only have the tiny little mini size that I got as a gift with purchase from Sephora. So I did not have the big one already, so now I do. And there it is. And right in here it says, beautiful faces, beautiful futures. One purchase equals 1 day of school. That's nice. Tatcha giving to a charity that helps people go to school. It opens like a little drawer. And there's a booklet about the silk canvas. Oh, there's something in here. It's wrapped in this silver bag and sealed, and then it has this right here. This disc. I kind of don't want to open it, but I will. Because once you open it, then you can't close it back. So I guess I'll go ahead and open it so I can look at it. Because see, it tears like this, so there's no way to seal it back. Here is the primer. Invisible layers of silk instantly filter away imperfections and impurities for alluring skin all day and over time. I believe this little disc is to like scrape it out so you don't have to keep putting your fingers in it over and over. I think that's a great idea. Okay. Oh, okay. On this paper it shows you how to use the little disc. It says glide across the surface and fill up to the line. I don't know if you can see that very well, but okay, that's good. Okay, so for the August 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag X, we got the Tatcha primer, which I'm very happy about. The Volition Yupon Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizer. We got the Herbivore Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil. The About Face Liquid Highlighter from Halsey, which is very nice. I like this more than I thought I would. From Bread, we got the Macadamia Oil for your hair and body. We got the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. The Glamnetic and Ipsy Reusable Press-On Nails. And the Elemis Skin Buff Exfoliator for your face. With the booklet with descriptions of all the products and information. I'll look through that later. So that's everything that I got in the Ipsy Glam Bag X for August 2021. Thank you for watching. Bye.